Hey DIY lovers, are you ready to turn everyday items into something truly extraordinary? Because today, we're diving into a project that's as fun as it is rewarding. Welcome back to the channel, where we transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, one craft at a time. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creative ideas. If you've ever looked at a glass bottle and thought, I should toss this, stop right there. What if I told you that bottle could become a centerpiece of your kitchen organization? Today, we're turning those old glass bottles into stunning, stylish kitchen storage solutions that are functional, eco-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing. Imagine your pantry looking like it belongs in a magazine. Not only are these DIYs perfect for organizing your pantry, spices, oils, and snacks, but they'll also help reduce waste and save you money. Plus, you'll be doing your part for the planet by upcycling instead of tossing. That's a triple win in my book. A beautiful home, a healthier planet, and a happier wallet. What's not to love? You know how much I love finding a good bargain and giving new life to something old. It's like a treasure hunt, but the treasure is something you create with your own hands. It just warms my heart. There's something so satisfying about seeing the transformation unfold, piece by piece. Whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or a total beginner, this project is for everyone. No fancy tools or skills required, just a little creativity and a lot of enthusiasm. I'll guide you through step-by-step methods to clean, cut, paint, label, and repurpose glass bottles in creative ways you probably haven't thought of yet. Trust me, the results will amaze you. We'll explore 6 different projects, from vintage spice jars to chic oil dispensers and pantry canisters. Each one is designed to add charm and functionality to your kitchen. So grab your bottles, roll up your sleeves, and let's give your kitchen a sustainable makeover with a big splash of style. Let's get crafting and make something amazing together. All right, y'all, before we get to the fun part, transforming these bottles into something amazing, we need to give them a good clean-in. A clean surface is the foundation of any great project, and trust me, it makes all the difference. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put fresh-baked cookies on a dirty plate, right? The same goes for our bottles. They deserve a fresh start too. We want our bottles to be sparkling clean, free of grime and residue, so they're ready for their big debut in our kitchens or craft projects. First things first, soak those bottles in warm, soapy water. This step is key to loosening up any dirt or labels stuck to the surface. I like to add a little baking soda for extra cleaning power. It's a natural cleaner and works wonders on stubborn spots. Let them soak for a bit. An hour or 2 should do the trick to loosen up any stubborn labels or residue. Patience here really pays off. While the bottles are soaking, we can gather our supplies. Having everything ready makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need a good scrub brush, something sturdy enough to tackle those tough spots without scratching the glass. Some gloves to protect those hands are a must, especially if you're dealing with a lot of bottles or strong cleaning agents. And maybe a little extra elbow grease for those stubborn labels. Sometimes, a bit of effort is all it takes to get that perfect clean. Don't worry if those labels are putting up a fight. It's all part of the process, and the results will be worth it. For those extra stubborn stickers, try a paste of baking soda and water. It's a simple trick that works like magic. Apply it to the label, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub, scrub, scrub. With a little patience and effort, those bottles will be as good as new. Now for the fun part. Let's turn those sparkling clean bottles into adorable spice jars that'll add a touch of vintage charm to your kitchen. I just love the look of handwritten labels on chalkboard paint, so that's what we're going for today. Start by selecting a variety of small bottles. Different shapes and sizes will add visual interest. Give them a good coat of chalkboard paint. You can find this at any craft store, and it's super easy to use. Once the paint is dry, use a chalk marker to label each jar with the name of your favorite spices. I like to write in a whimsical font, but you can keep it simple if that's more your style. Remember, it's all about making it your own. Let's face it, those plastic store-bought oil and vinegar bottles aren't exactly the prettiest things in the pantry. Let's give them a major upgrade with these chic and functional dispensers. For this project, those empty wine bottles you have lying around are perfect. Just make sure they're nice and clean inside. Now comes the creative part. I like to keep things simple and elegant with these, so I'm using some clear sticker paper and my trusty label maker to create minimalist labels. But don't be afraid to add your own personal touch. To finish them off, we'll add stainless steel pour spouts. These not only look sleek, but also help with controlled pouring. And there you have it, your very own set of stylish oil and vinegar dispensers that will elevate your kitchen game. Are you tired of messy bags and boxes cluttering up your pantry? I hear you. These DIY dry storage canisters are the perfect solution for a more organized and visually appealing pantry. Plus, using glass containers is a great way to reduce your plastic use in the kitchen. For this project, we'll be using larger glass bottles. Think pasta sauce jars, pickle jars, anything with a good wide mouth that's easy to fill. Give them a good cleaning and let them dry completely. Now let's add some personality. I'm using a light, airy paint color for a farmhouse feel, but feel free to choose colors that complement your kitchen decor. A couple of coats should do the trick. Bringing the outdoors in is one of my favorite ways to add life and freshness to a space, and what better way to do that than with fresh herbs? These herb storage and growing jars are not only practical, but also add a touch of green to your kitchen. For this project, we'll be using clear glass bottles so we can easily see our herbs. Start by giving them a good wash. Then, we'll add a layer of pebbles or small stones to the bottom of each jar for drainage. Fill the jars with fresh water, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Then carefully snip your herbs and place them in the jars. You can use a variety of herbs like mint, basil, and cilantro. You know I love a good mason jar. They're so versatile and add a touch of rustic charm to any space. But did you know you can achieve that same look with, you guessed it, glass bottles? For this project, we'll be using round glass bottles. Think juice bottles or those cute little milk bottles. Give them a good cleaning and let them dry completely. Now let's give them that classic mason jar look with a coat of chalk paint. I'm using a soft white, but you can choose any color that suits your fancy. Once the paint is dry, lightly sand the edges for a distressed vintage look. And there you have it, 6 creative ways to upcycle glass bottles into gorgeous and functional kitchen storage. From pantry jars to countertop organizers, these ideas are not only practical, but also add a touch of charm to your space. Isn't it amazing what a little imagination and effort can do? With just a few simple tools and some creativity, you can transform everyday items into something truly special. I just love how these projects combine sustainability with style. They're proof that being eco-friendly doesn't mean compromising on aesthetics. This project not only helps you declutter and organize your space, but it also encourages mindful living by rethinking how we use and reuse materials. It contributes to a greener planet by reducing waste and reusing materials in clever ways. Every small step counts when it comes to sustainability. It's about creating a home and a lifestyle that's both beautiful and mindful, a space that reflects your values while staying functional and inviting. Tell me in the comments, which project was your favorite? Was it the herb jars, the spice organizers, or something else entirely? Or do you have a cool idea we didn't cover? Let's inspire each other. Your creativity might just spark someone else's next project. Before you go, make sure to like this video to show your support. Subscribe if you haven't already to join our creative community. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a creative idea or a new project. And share this with your fellow DIYers. Let's spread the joy of crafting and upcycling. If you're looking for even more inspiration, check out my playlist on dollar store DIYs, eco-friendly crafts, and home organization hacks. There's something for everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your next project. Remember, one person's trash is another person's beautifully organized kitchen. Let's keep turning waste into wonder. Until next time, stay creative, stay kind, and keep crafting. Your imagination is your greatest tool.